My name's Cooper Womack. I work in the warehouse. Typical day in the warehouse would be crating up bikes, uncrating pods, crating up pods. Those bikes go all over the place, like dealers, and sometimes we send them to our race guys, and kind of just depends. Demo pod is 8 bikes that we send out to dealers that have ride days, so customers can come out and ride those bikes. So we crate them up, we put them in like metal crates with parts and goodie bags for all the customers. So if you're unsure about what bike you want to buy, you can always find out where the next demo ride is and go ride the bikes. I feel like the most satisfying part of my job is definitely seeing those bikes get loaded onto the truck and knowing that I'm like Santa Claus giving someone a present, essentially. This whole company is built with riders. I think every single person here rides, so we ride together, we race together, we have run clubs, we cycle together. It's so much more than just beta. I mean, you look at this company and it's just a giant family, and I couldn't be more proud to represent them.